I'm Janus, and in this quick tutorial we are going to look over how to modify Gas Guzzlers Extreme. This is just going to be a quick tutorial because you can actually edit the code and the art. So first what we're going to do is obviously go to our library. We're going to right click, go to manage, and browse local files. Once we get to our Gas Guzzlers Extreme database, we're going to go to Data, Gas Guzzlers, and right here we're going to have two folders we're only going to be able to need to play with. This is Database and Textures. Textures is exactly what it sounds like. It is all the textures in the game, I presume at least all of them. And these are .dds files. If you are actually a fan of Command and Conquer tutorials, you will recognize this. You can edit them with GIMP. I am actually not going to edit those in this thing. I'm just going to show you what you can do. And so we're just going to go to database, open up the database. It is a XML file which can be opened up by any text editor. In this case I'm using Notepad++. And as you can see, there is a lot of data here. And you just slowly go through it and then you'll be able to understand it. So for example, right here is the race reward settings based on the car rank and the race type specifically. And you can edit the numbers and the score, and you go all the way down, and it will actually change car rank because there is 3 ranks of class in this game of cars. And you can keep going down, and there's a lot of stuff to edit. The bonus rewards is another thing that you can edit. And so if we check out the nitro bonus setting, we have the generic destruction bonus, which is when you hit random things, and then we have the barrel version, so when you run into the explosive barrels. And again, just keep on scrolling down and you can find different things. So here's your sponsor one, so you can sponsor these are the specific races, so you can actually change the track ID and the race type, and of course the weapons used and the other parts of the race, the details like score and all that jazz. Again, you just keep on going down. You can find more code. Eventually, you'll get to the difficulty settings, which allows you to edit, well, as I just said, the difficulty. For beginner, easy, medium, hard, and extreme and impossible. Eventually, we're going to come down here to the actual cars themselves that you can modify, but first we'll see the zombie related stuff. But if you keep on coming down, you will again run into the specific car data, so you can actually change the upgrade stuff. And I haven't played with any of this stuff yet, but these values seem to be at least partially consistent, which gives me the hint that you can modify them in a certain order, but I'm not sure yet, because I have not played with them. Same goes for the brake value also. And just to show you an example, this is the class 1, and we'll go down to a higher class. Alright, and here is a higher class vehicle. In this case, as you can see, it has 5 upgrades for the engine, and 4 upgrades, or at least 4 states, for the brake, and the brake torque multiplier has the same exact effect.